Most of the pregnant women now are working mothers, and the profession demands that they sit for long hours during work. So, one of the commonest and the most severe form of discomfort that is experienced by them is low backache. Low backache normally tends to occur in pregnancy starting from beyond the 4th month of pregnancy. This is mainly because of the alteration in the curvature of the spine called lordosis that becomes exaggerated to accommodate or to ensure a good body balance that is altered by the forward growing baby bump. And second is there a lot of relaxation that happens with the ligaments attached to these muscles and joints because of the effect of the pregnancy hormones. And finally, because of poor posture and poor body balance, that is muscle fatigue. But one cannot afford to go off work. So, how can we avoid them? The few tips to follow are: try to sit up straight in a chair that supports your back, or probably have a firm cushion to support your back. While lying down, try to lie down to one side, having a pillow between your legs that could offer a support to the back. If you need to pick up something from the floor, do not bend your back but rather squat down and lift it up. Sometimes the sagging anterior abdominal wall or the sagging pregnant uterus can cause or add a lot of discomfort. So in which cases you might be advised to wear a pregnancy support belt. For acute pain relief, you could apply hot or cold fomentation with a pain relief gel or spray.